XLRI results, XLRI Jamshedpur results and XLRI Delhi results, they are about to come any time now. Last year they were already announced by the 12th of April. They were announced on 12th of April. However, this year students are in great anxiety कि XLRI का result कब आएगा, what is happening, why is it so late, this and that. Well, the result is expected to come out any time in the next 1 week. It has to come out in the next 1 week. The reason for that is, see, it's a very simple thing. XLRI, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, these results are linked. Also, XLRI cannot afford to lose out students to IIML and IIMK and even maybe MDI, HRM. It can happen. So XLRI knows that it has to come out with the results within this week, in the next 7 days, because then things will go wrong for it. Now, whenever the result comes out, there are some things much more important for you as somebody, as an MBA aspirant who's waiting for XLRI results to come out. These are certain facts and myths which you need to know regarding XLRI, so that as soon as the result comes out, you can make a choice of what you need to do. Because होगा क्या, अब जिस दिन भी ये XLRI का रिजल्ट आएगा उस दिन इतना chaos होगा, इतनी एंजाइटी होगी कि क्या किया जाए. Because for a lot of students, and I know this from my experience at CL, I was the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I know this. XLRI is one of the best calls for a lot of students. बहुत सारे students की XLRI ही best call होती है. उनका IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta XLRI ही है. Therefore anxiety होती है. तब आप ये बहुत important कुछ facts हैं जो मैं इस वीडियो में आपके लिए present करने वाला हूँ. ये facts आप miss कर जाते हैं, and then you might take a wrong choice. Therefore, watch this video completely, because this video is going to be the only video you need to watch to clarify your doubts regarding XLRI Jamshedpur, XLRI Delhi, the placements over there, the process, the waitlist movement at XLRI, all of the questions. I've compiled a lot of questions in this video. Watch it up till the end and you'll get all of your answers. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I was the ex-MBA product head at Career Launcher. I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. And one very important thing, I'll be creating a lot of videos on this waitlist wala phase, because I know this waitlist phase is a very anxiety prone phase. आपको बहुत anxiety होगी, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा where to go. For example, XLRI or IIML or IIMK or FMS, all of these comparisons you will be having in your head. You need somebody who has lived this for the last 7-8 years. I've worked at CL, I know what these things are, so I'll be making a lot of content on it. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, because it's very important that you get very authentic, very accurate information about all of these things. Now, as I said, this video is going to cover a lot of your doubts and myths which you may having, and I have listed the 9 most important questions which students have been asking me, not just this year but over the last few years, and therefore I said कि ठीक है, एक वीडियो बनानी पड़ेगी, because ऐसी वीडियो और कोई नहीं है जहाँ पे ये सारे डाउट्स आंसर हो जाएं. तो अगर इनमें से कोई आपका एक डाउट है रिगार्डिंग XLRI results, XLRI wait lists, XLRI placements, this video is going to be that video which is going to answer everything for you. Now, moving on, let's just start off with it. I want to present to you certain quick facts so that you and I are on the same ground with regards to XLRI. Now, the most common 3 things. First of all, XLRI JSR, established in 1949, is the oldest B school of India. You know this already. Let me check if my screen is there. Yeah, it's there. Then XLRI Delhi was established in 2020. So the first batch of XLRI DE was from 2020 to 2022, which means ये जो 24 to 26 वाला जो batch अब होगा, this will be the 5th batch of XLRI D. One more thing, important नहीं है, but still XLRI Delhi is not exactly in Delhi. It is actually in Jhajjar, which is in Haryana. So it's far from this place. But ये is not so important, because as long as you are at that good B school. Moving on from there, let's speak about one of the most important things, which is the placements. And I have compiled a quick snapshot of the last 2 years, एक इस साल की and एक इसके last year की. XLRI placements this year have been like this. The average placement has been around 29.89 LPA, whereas the median, which I always say to the students is a much better stat to look at, is 28 LPA, which is good. If we compare this to 2023, then the average was 29.11 LPA and the median was 27.24. These numbers look good. However, one very interesting thing, अगर आप 2022 का फाइनल्स उठाएंगे तो द एवरेज एट XLRI वाज अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 30 lakhs. सो 2022 से 2023 में ड्रॉप हुआ है, साइजेबल 1-1.5-2 लाख रुपए का ड्रॉप हुआ है. However, that has now gone up in 2024 despite the fact that most B schools are affected about it. So these numbers are good. These are okay. You need to be absolutely fine with it. You need not feel कि अरे the hirings are not happening. So is MBA a good option? अरे XLRI में कम हो गया placement? नहीं. These numbers look good irrespective of 1 या 2 लाख का drop. Now that we've spoken about this, let me address some 9 very important questions for you which I have compiled for you so that we can address all of these questions, very important questions, and I'll start off with the first one. Do XLRI Jamshedpur, which is XLRI JSR, and Delhi placements, do they happen एक साथ या फिर अलग? Well, the answer to it is that yes, they happen together. This is a combined pooled campus placement. And here is what you need to know, that most of this process happens online. Therefore, you can actually execute a pooled campus placement drive. And also, the shortlists which a lot of companies they offer, these are all combined shortlist. It includes the students from XL Delhi and also XL JSR. So एक चीज ये बहुत clear है. From there, do XLRI JSR students get a preference in placement? अब ये बहुत interesting question है, because a lot of students will feel that यार Delhi join करने का फायदा है, because although कह रहे हैं कि pooled placement है, this and that, whether it is really going to be as effective for us or not. The answer is now a yes and a no both. Which means what? Which means that some companies, they can and some they actually do keep a JSR only condition, which means that they specifically ask for this, that hey, no, we want students only from Jamshedpur XLRI Jamshedpur for our placement. तो ये कुछ organizations they can impose this. However, most organizations and the Placecom mostly they negotiate with the organizations in that fashion that no, you will have to take the shortlist from all the students across the 2 campuses. So that is that. However, yes, few organizations are there which might impose this thing. Before we move ahead on to the next thing, there's one very important announcement, one very important thing which can change the kind of outcomes you have from your MBA. I have created a course called How to Be School. This is one unique program which will share with you exactly what the name is. How to Be School, how to maximize the opportunities from your B school. It talks about a lot of things. Currently it is in the waitlist. Go ahead on this page, the link is in the description. Join the waitlist. It's free. As soon as I launch it in the next week, you will get a mail with a special offer for you. I've covered a lot of things, and this is probably the only course you need to know about how to go about your academics at your MBA college, be it XLRI, how to go about friendships, clubs and committees, most importantly, placements, networking, all of these things. It's like a walkthrough. It's like a very quick walkthrough to your entire MBA journey. Go ahead, read this page. There is so much you need to know about this, and if you think that this is something for you, देखो waitlist तो join कर ही लो, because that is very important, and as soon as I launch this, it will be in front of you and you can go ahead and enroll for it. This will help you a lot. तीसरी चीज पे आते हैं, do XL BM and HRM placements happen together? Now one very important thing which you have to know, XLRI Delhi does not offer HRM yet. So HRM is only at XLRI Jamshedpur. The answer to it is that yes, XLRI BM and XLRI HRM placements also they happen एक साथ. Now this may not be the case with certain other B schools which have an HRM program as well, and I'll be speaking about it later towards the end of this. Now a few things which you need to know. How it happens is that the organizations recruiting for BM, the business management program at XLRI, and the HRM program are the same companies. तो वही organizations आती हैं. Most of the organizations they come to XLRI for the BM roles. However, then they also open job roles for HRM. तो होता ही है. See, now if you were to go through the detailed placement report, what you'll find is that these are some of the organizations which hire from both from BM and HRM, which is, for example, the biggest of the names: PNG, HUL, ITC, Colgate, Marico, JP Morgan, Google, Bajaj, so on and so forth. However, yes, there are also a lot of organizations which come exclusively for HR. वो placement में आ ही रही हैं for XLRI's HR program. Some examples of this from the last few years are KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, EY, Deloitte. These are some of the organizations which in the last few years have come exclusively for HRM roles, because the fact is that XLRI indeed is the best B school for HRM in India. It is the best, undoubtedly. Even when you compare it with an MDI, Gurgaon or a TIS, this and that, XLRI is above them. And yes, I will be making a separate video on all of these things, that where you should go for HRM. Now from there, the next question, the fourth question which you would be having is that, are the placement reports for XLRI BM and XLRI HRM combined, or are they separate? The fact is, if you were to go on their site, which you should, because you should yourself go to the placement reports, they are combined. They have only one placement report for everything, which is XLRI JSR BM, XLRI JSR HRM, even XLRI Delhi. एक ही है. However, a few things which you need to know is that if you want to find कि HRM job role की salary का average या median कितना रहा है, वो आप find कर सकते हैं. The fact is why? Because XLRI's placement reports are audited, and a good audited placement report is a detailed placement report. They give these statistics as per job role, as per sector, this and that. So XLRI, along with IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Udaipur, some of these kind of schools, they give a very beautiful detailed report, and you can find these statistics from there. I have done some hard work for you already. Here is some data from last year, 2023 ki, because 24 ki they have not yet officially given it out. The average was 26.71 and the median was 26.57. It is similar, and obviously the stat which you should look for is median. This is good. Now, when I will share with you the answers for the next questions, you will feel quite amazing about XLRI, because not only it is good for HRM, but for other job roles as well, XLRI is pretty fantastic. For example, the fifth question which you may be having is that, what are the highest paying job roles at XLRI? Here I have the answer for you. There are four. The top four which are there are as follows. Now here is what it is. The first one is what some of you would expect to be the most offered job role at, forget even at XLRI, be it even IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. We know this. The answer is consulting. The median of consulting as per the 2023 report, which is the latest one, is 33.50. I'm talking about the median. This is very good. This stat is good. Also, when I'll be answering this question that what are the most offered in terms of कितने job role offer होते हैं, उसमें भी एक बड़ी interesting चीज सामने आएगी. अभी we are speaking about what are the highest paying job roles. Moving on from there, the second one is sales and marketing. Sales and marketing, FMCG companies, a lot of these companies, they recruit very aggressively and actively for sales and marketing. The median stands at 27.24, which is spectacular. If you can get a start like this, उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है. Then the third is product management, and we've seen this. I have made a video on IIM Ahmedabad's detailed placement report. I made this video some weeks ago. You should watch that video, because उसमें तो मैंने IIM Ahmedabad की पूरी placement report को इतना deeply analyze करा है. उसमें भी ये बड़ी interesting चीज सामने आई थी कि कंसल्टिंग के साथ साथ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट ये टॉप स्कूल्स में बड़ा अट्रैक्टिव एक जॉब रोल बन चुका है. एंड इसीलिए वो चीज यू कैन सी इट हियर एज वेल, दैट यस, द फैक्ट इज दैट द मीडियन इज 26.63 फॉर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज देन HRM. द मीडियन स्टैंड्स एट 26.57. तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ सैलरी, अगर आपका सवाल ये था कि मेरे को XLRI का शॉर्टलिस्ट, मुझे XLRI का फाइनल ऑफर आ रहा है, या फिर आई एम इन द वेट लिस्ट फॉर XLRI, should I go for this or not, because I want to do probably something else, then this would give you a stat of how much could you earn from what you are going for in that B school. Now the sixth question, a very interesting important question, which is that what are the most offered job roles, like in terms of the quantity, in terms of the number of offers. Now here is again a very interesting thing, and I'll keep these two things samne. I'll keep it open for you. The first one, again as you would expect, is consulting. 138 offers. In a batch of approximately approximately 440 students short, 450 students. 138 is a large number. You have companies like BCG, McKinsey, Bain, Alvarez, so many companies, so many top tier strategy consulting, niche consulting firms. They come, they spend money on XLRI kids, they spend on you like crazy. Then the second most offered job roles, and here is why people say that XLRI is the best for HRM. One of the reasons, because उसका proof जो है, उसका जो प्रमाण है वो यहाँ पे है कि then with 96 offers, XLRI brings to you awesome number of opportunities if you are interested in HRM. तो अगर किसी को भी थोड़ा भी HRM में इंटरेस्ट है, उसको लग रहा है HRM में you have to go, then abundant number of offers. See, 96 in HR you will not find in any B school. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, Lucknow, कोझिकोड में यहाँ पे HR में मुश्किल से 4-5 ऐसे मतलब ऐसे ऑफर आते हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ पे when somebody is going to an IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta, बड़े मतलब शर्म की बात लगती है वहाँ पे कि अरे HR करने आ रहे हैं, oh you know what, he's doing HR, oh no you know what, we're doing consulting in this and that. So वहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा. तो if you genuinely want to do HRM, then do not go by what is fashionable and say that okay, you know what, my dream B school is IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. No, then your dream B school has to be XLRIs and the MDIs of the world. Moving on from there, the third most offered job roles is sales and marketing with 83 offers. Again, I've given you that what kind of organizations they hire. They hire at a good salary also, which you can see here above, and good number of offers, very good number of offers. And then you have general management offers. General management में एक बहुत classical example है TAS, Tata Administrative Services. It is like being an IAS officer for the Tatas. That's that. So these are the most offered job roles. Now from there, the last three questions, and ये questions तो और भी important है because ये बहुत लोगों को होते हैं सवाल. ये सवाल तो actual questions है which students have asked me in the last few weeks about XLRI क्या क्या. Now somebody says to me that sir, if I join XLRI HRM, मुझे वहाँ का final shortlist हो जाएगा, आ जाएगा, final offer आ जाएगा, मैं HRM तो ले रहा हूँ या ले रही हूँ, but क्या मैं बाद में consulting में जा पाऊंगा या जा पाऊंगी, because अभी मैं sure नहीं हूँ, but yes I feel that HRM is good, but you know what, consulting is so sexy, it's so fashionable, can I go for it? The answer is yes. The answer is a clear simple yes, because again remember, placements are all pooled, the placements are all the same. The same companies are coming for BM role, are coming for HRM role. Irrespective of whether you have studied for HRM or BM, you can always apply to any organization. That is the beauty of this. So that can happen. Yes, it can happen. Now, a very interesting question about waitlists, because obviously you are waiting for waitlists and this is important. Now, one extremely important thing, I am saying this again. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it, because the kind of information I will be bringing to you in the next few weeks is going to be important. अभी XLRI का जिस दिन भी result आएगा, I'll make a video on the waitlist movement, then for all other schools. Then apart from that, during your MBA, your summer placements, all the help, all the mindset and the things which you have to do, I'll be making videos on all. मेरे चैनल पे ऑलरेडी है भी और भी लाऊंगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, बिकॉज अभी वेटलिस्ट वाला फेज ना बहुत ही खराब फेज होता है, इसमें आदमी gets very frustrated. I don't want you to be frustrated. So moving on, are XLRI, Jamshedpur and Delhi waitlists linked? What do I mean by linked? I'll explain. The answer is yes, they are linked. Which means what? Which means that it could happen that you have converted XLRI Delhi, but you could be in the waitlist for XLRI Jamshedpur. This can happen. Which means what? Now you need to understand the impact of this. The moment you have somebody who has a final admission for XLRI D but is in the waitlist for XLRI JSR, the moment somebody else at XLRI JSR who has a final offer would leave, say for example for an IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, or for somewhere else, that human being who was in the waitlist of XLRI JSR will opt for XLRI JSR obviously, and then you will have a vacancy at XLRI D. So वो linked है list. It is not that कि okay, there is going to be a separate wait list and separate thing for XLRI D, and if a student is with XLRI D, then no, he or she will not be available for your XLRI JSR. No, you can be selected at both places, you can be waitlisted at both places, you can be selected at one and waitlisted at the other. For all you know, it could also be, वैसे मतलब नहीं होगा ये, that you are selected at an XLRI JSR but got waitlisted at XLRID. This will not happen because of the scoring and everything, but I'm trying to explain to you that yes, it is linked. Now the last question, let's talk about that, and a very interesting one, because अब जब आप फैसला लोगे ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, XLRI versus MDI गुड़गांव for HRM, because यही दो best B schools हैं for HR. Apart from this, you also would be having a question, and a lot of you will be having questions on XLRI or IML, XLRI or FMS, XLRI और IM कोईकोड, XLRI और IM इंदौर. ऐसे 3-4 सवाल, ये बड़े कॉमन सवाल हैं, एंड इस पे you need to have very classical pieces of advice. इसमें एक बहुत deep analysis की requirement है. Therefore, I have a very deep, interesting analysis for this, for all of these things, for MDI Gurgaon versus XLRI, XLRI versus IML versus something else, this and that. ये मैंने इसकी deep analysis करी हुई है. I've spent years at CL doing this, advising students about what they have to do. If you want a video on this ना, go down and comment and let me know कि आपको किस चीज पे वीडियो चाहिए, किन comparisons पे चाहिए, because that is very important. I'll make that for you. Also, do not just make requests कि सर ये बना दो. Please tell me, how did you like it? Was this helpful for you? If yes, tell me helpful था. If not, tell me नहीं था helpful. सर क्या बकवास बना रहे हो, सब बोलो. So go ahead, say that to me. In this video, my objective was to cover everything that you really need to know before the results come out. Some very common doubts, myths and misconceptions which you may be having for XLRI Delhi, XLRI Jamshedpur. These are certain facts. I hope you have totally enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot and goodbye.